All right, this time I didn't forget to press record. Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Let me check where's the screen. Let's dive straight into it. Good morning, good morning, good morning. These are, let me check one thing though. Yeah, it's what I thought. 5 minutes. Nothing special. Okay, let's remove that one. Let's go into the Forex charts. And let's start on the DXY weekly wise. Quick checkup. What did we say Monday? And what did we think? All right, yeah, I remember where we saw that there was that wick to the upside, downside, and then we got that daily, or that candle closure to the upside. And so far, what we can see, we can actually remove that because we know where structure is. And we follow structure. We can see that push down, then we pushed up, got a little retracement. We can see that yesterday. Again, Tuesday was a doji candle, then Thursday that wick taking that low there. So let's zoom into 1 hour where we can see that range again. Why is it not visible? There we go. So we actually came into discount, broke below, then we broke back above, which is quite nice because now we have kind of that liquidity grab here, liquidity grab idea, which is then followed by, so we get the liquidity grab, which is then followed by that break there. Now we tap into that. There we go. Easy. No, not easy. We tapped into that new weekly open gap there. Took the internal range liquidity. We can see that how long it took to get to the downside. And if we just copy that thing, we can see that to get up there, we're not even halfway the box, and we're already up here. So yeah, let's see. We got previous daily highs here. We are still bearish. Actually, we're not. We're bullish again. Going into yeah. So structurals like that, bullish break. So if anything, the range would be like this now. No, FEG. And we can follow that. So let's take that. We know that we're still looking for shorts because of this bearish structure, but well, I'm not looking for shorts. Based on structure, we should look for shorts, but I don't think it is quite the best play right now as you look at price behavior. So ideally longs would be better now from this discount area and then continue long, as I think that this correctional price behavior will be taken out, especially when yesterday, I think it was this one. Yeah, where we found out that was a perfect trend line there. So I think that liquidity will be taken out for sure. Look at price behavior. Otherwise, we would have come up, pushed down aggressively, but price behavior is showing us that price wants to continue up, and therefore our targets are this one. So we can already set an alert there. I'm pretty sure price will get there. And yeah, get into that fair value gap. So that's high time frame wise, then low time frame wise, of course, is we were following the structure. Now we have the bullish break there. So DXY is bullish again on a lower time frame. Same as in EU, we broke bearish here, but barely. not a strong push to the downside. If anything, it's super correctional. So this is all liquidity that can be taken out. Therefore, DXY, I'm looking for shorts, maybe from above here, ideally above here, and longs from here. Yeah. Of course, we can dive into the charts and see at the moment when we might get entries, how that's gonna play out, or how that's gonna realign with our trades. But over here, we can keep this one. So you get previous daily highs up there. We got equals being formed. As I said, with that purple structure, well, that didn't play out. So that's good though. That makes this way easier to follow. So this is now a 1 hour, but green, but that break. You can see this is quite correctional, just like on the DXY, and then this push to the downside is more aggressive. We took that out. Nice. So we created equals. So pretty straightforward now what's going to happen. I will be looking for longs from this area and this area, or I will be looking for shorts from these areas. Now you got to keep in mind that DXY is bearish, bullish. That means that we are gonna play the most recent structure on EU as well, which is this one. And it's getting a bit intricate, but I feel like we can do that until we realign with DXY. There we go. So what do we have here? We got this supply zone. We got that one there as well. So why am I doing that? So actually, let me. Now I'm getting all the map. That's what no, never mind. Slightly different. 50-minute of purple. And that's just because I think that we might continue lower. That's why I'm following the structure, because I think that this was too correctional to be a strong push to the upside, to class it as a, or yeah, class it, fell it as a strong push to the upside. So therefore, I think that we might take out these lows, take out that liquidity and continue down. And as of now, oh no, it is not looking very promising. This one here, but it's building up liquidity. So I feel like we can come lower. And therefore we have these areas. Oh, I didn't mark it out, of course. Let's go to the 15, see what they look like. So we got this one, good. Nice 50-minute supply zone. Then we got one over here. You can see how that 50-minute block is in there as well. And we don't want to get too intricate usually, because of we want the highest probability setups. But we can't always like well, we can always wait for that. But the thing is, we have DXY, and I'm finding it hard to explain a bit, but EU, like the blue structure on EU is this one. It's the same one, but the green structure, I'm just gonna mark it out. That's like this. It's this one on EU. And you can see on DXY, it's already bullish. Wow, on EU, it's still bullish as well. So it's not realigned, that green structure. Therefore, I'm following this structure because DXY is already bearish. So I'm trying to realign my EU charts with the DXY structure, meaning that I can take this purple structure that is realigned with this one. And actually the purple structure would be, so yeah, they are already realigned on DXY, but not on EU yet. So hope that makes sense. So yeah, I'm looking for shorts here as well. And we got a 50-minute supply zone there. And we have a 50-minute supply zone there. We got some liquidity up here. We still got those equals, but following the structure, bearish break into the range liquidity, and we are going to sell from here, here, or here. Asia high, Asia low. I actually could have marked these out as Asia lows. And we're going to buy from here and here, because DXY is not EU. DXY is 76%, 67% EU, and the rest is other currencies. So EU coming down here and giving the push could mean that could lead DXY into turning bearish again, saying it correctly. But on the other hand, if the other currencies keep getting stronger, DXY or the other currencies keep getting weaker, or EU or dollars getting stronger, dollar index will go up and we will not get the buy here. So gotta see, it's a bit of both sides, a bit complicated the way I see it. Or for me it's easy, but to explain. But yeah, so I'm looking for buys from here, sells, 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 and buys of course from here. That's it for EU. GU, bit messy still. Didn't get any of the areas we were looking for, so no trade. And this is where GU already realigned with EU with DXY. Sorry about that. And we gotta keep that in mind. So that's why I said we might just take it upside. So previous weekly lows taken. Interesting. So now buys would look good on GU. Because we took previous weekly lows, we got that liquidity there building up. Then we got a previous Tuesday, Wednesday. Previous weekly low taken out. So buys on GU look very good as well. Previous daily lows started there. Previous daily lows been taken out as well. So we are below previous daily lows. We are below Asia lows. We are below previous weekly lows. Although I think this is an Asia low, not the real low. So let's just pull that across. And then we got Asia highs up here. Nice liquidity pool. That's what we're working with. So I'm now waiting for an entry trail to long. I'll be shorting from here. And of course, let's go to the 15. I will be shorting here. So we got a nice one up here. Although we got the liquidity to the upside, gonna follow the structure first. I don't see any other one to extend it like that. Demand. All right, so EU again. on the daily. Got that push to the downside. Not that strong, but this was such a strong push. This seems to be fair correctional, so I think we will continue to the downside. Based on that, we know that we do still have liquidity up here, but we also know that, and we know that we are inside discount pricing of this dark green structure that is realigned with the light blue structure, meaning that we want to look for higher pricing based on structure. However, based on price behavior and liquidity, I want to go further to the downside. Therefore, I realign my lower time frame charts with the DXY charts, and I'm looking for shorts from this area and this area, or I'm looking for longs still following the green structure from this area. What does it look like? Purple structure-based shorts, green structure-based longs. GU already realigned with DXY. DXY broke bullish. GU broke bearish. However, by doing so, GU took previous weekly lows while DXY didn't. So I'm looking for buys based on the green structure here and sells based on the green structure here. Based on liquidity, I will be looking for sells from here. As we have those highs, we have this all up here. So moving from this pool, if this internal range liquidity is not enough, then my next area would be this area to short from. That's what I'm working with. That's my pre-market analysis. Hope it made sense. It was a bit of a rush, bit of a, how do you say it? Trying to explain my the thingy with DXY and EU. Made it a bit complicated, but yeah, for me it made sense. It's my analysis anyway. So yeah, catch you guys in the market. Peace out and wish you all good luck.